Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the calls settings on your account on Telegram on the notification settings. So as you see, first go to the Telegram, enter it, and then go to the settings, and then go to the notifications and sounds, and here we have this section, the calls. So you can turn this, the vibrate disabled, default, short, long, or only on silence. Also the ringtone, you can change it whatever you want. So that's it. That's how to manage the calls section on the notifications section easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.